You might think your car's engine is old, worn out, and ready for retirement. But here's the truth. It's not old. It's just angry. Maybe it coughs and sputters in traffic, drinks fuel like a marathon runner at the finish line, or just refuses to cooperate when you hit the gas. And here's the shocking kicker. 90% of engine failures aren't because of age or mileage. They happen because owners ignore simple, low-cost maintenance. Things like letting sludge strangle your pistons, running with dirty sensors, or never replacing worn spark plugs. But today, I'm giving you the inside scoop, 9 game-changing tricks that will make your engine run smoother, stronger, and more efficiently than you ever thought possible. No mechanic needed for most of these. No $1,000 repair bills. Just smart fixes the dealerships will never tell you, because they'd rather you pay for a new car. The last trick on this list, even mechanics keep it quiet, because it could save you thousands. Let's dive in. 1. Clean the throttle body. Think of your throttle body as your engine's lungs. It controls how much air gets in, and when it's dirty, your car starts to choke. Carbon and grime build up over time, coating the inside with sticky residue. This causes sluggish acceleration, rough idling, higher fuel consumption. And here's the beauty. Fixing it costs about $10 and 15 minutes. Turn off the engine and disconnect the battery. Locate the throttle body. You'll find it where your air intake hose connects. Remove the hose and look inside. If you see dark, sticky buildup, that's your problem. Spray throttle body cleaner inside, then gently scrub with a soft toothbrush. Open the throttle plate and clean both sides. Let it dry completely, reconnect everything, and start your engine. Yes, it might idle rough for a few minutes. That's just the ECU recalibrating. But once it settles, you'll instantly notice smoother airflow, snappier throttle response, a stable, quiet idle. Do this every 30,000 miles, and your engine will breathe like it's brand new. 2. Clean the mass airflow, MAF sensor. The MAF sensor is like your car's personal air accountant. It measures exactly how much air is coming in, so the ECU can give the engine the perfect fuel mix. When it's dirty, it gives the wrong numbers, and your engine pays the price with poor acceleration, bad fuel economy, and sometimes a glowing check engine light. How to clean it? Find the sensor, usually right after your air filter box. Unplug it and remove it carefully. It's delicate. Spray it with MAF sensor cleaner. Never use card cleaner or WD-40. Do not touch the sensor wires. Let the cleaner do the work. Let it air dry completely before reinstalling. Do this every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, and you'll avoid the silent performance killer most drivers never think about. 3. Replace or clean the air filter. Imagine running a marathon while breathing through a dirty sock. That's your engine with a clogged air filter. The air filter blocks dust, dirt, and road debris, but when it's clogged, your car struggles to breathe. Quick check. If it's just dusty, blow it out with compressed air. If it's dark, oily, or damaged, replace it immediately. This $15 fix can restore lost horsepower, improve MPG, reduce wear on your engine. Check it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or every oil change if you drive in dusty conditions. 4. Use high-quality fuel and additives. Not all gasoline is created equal. Cheap gas can leave behind carbon deposits that slowly strangle your fuel system. High-quality, top-tier fuel contains detergents that keep everything clean inside. The golden rule: always match the octane rating to what's in your owner's manual. Every 3,000 miles, add a bottle of fuel system cleaner, like Techron or Seafoam. This $10 step dissolves hidden deposits before they can rob your engine of power and can save you from expensive fuel system repairs later. 5. Perform a professional fuel injector cleaning. Fuel injectors spray a fine mist of fuel into your engine for perfect combustion. When they get dirty, you lose power, your MPG tanks, and your idle gets rough. Fuel additives help, but for serious buildup, you need a professional cleaning. A shop will hook your injectors up to pressurized cleaning equipment, flushing them from the inside out. Do this every 30,000 miles and you'll restore lost horsepower, improve acceleration, reduce fuel waste. It's like sending your fuel system to the spa. 6. Maintain spark plugs and ignition coils. Your spark plugs are tiny, but they're the reason your engine runs at all. They ignite the air-fuel mixture thousands of times a minute. When they're worn or dirty, you get misfires, poor acceleration, bad fuel economy, even engine damage. Follow your maintenance schedule for replacements, and always use the exact type recommended for your car. While you're at it, check your ignition coils. If they're cracked or weak, replace them. A strong spark means a smooth, powerful engine. 7. Keep the cooling system healthy. Your cooling system is your engine's life support. If it fails, your engine overheats, and that can mean warped heads, blown gaskets, or total engine death. Prevention tips. Check coolant levels regularly. Inspect hoses for cracks or leaks. Flush and replace coolant according to your manual. And remember, never open the radiator cap when the engine's hot. The pressurized coolant can spray out and cause serious burns. 8. Perform carbon cleaning. If you do short trips, use cheap fuel, or have a direct injection engine, carbon buildup is inevitable. It coats your intake valves, pistons, and combustion chamber, causing sluggish performance, rough idle, knocking noises. A fuel additive can help for light buildup, but for heavy deposits, go for professional carbon cleaning, like walnut blasting, every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. The difference? Night and day. Your engine will feel smoother, stronger, and more responsive. 9. Avoid short trips whenever possible. Engines are designed to run at a specific operating temperature. Short trips that don't let the engine warm up fully cause condensation and fuel residue to build up inside, leading to oil dilution and sludge. If you must make short trips, combine errands into one longer drive to let the oil reach optimal temperature and burn off moisture. There you have it, 9 proven tricks to make your engine run like new again. These aren't expensive mods or risky experiments. They're simple, powerful maintenance steps that can add years to your engine's life, save you money, and keep your car running at its best. So, is your car old? Or is it just waiting for a little TLC? Hit that like button if you learned something today. Drop your car questions in the comments and subscribe for more tips that keep your wheels turning and your wallet happy. Because when you take care of your engine, it will take care of you.